Hard to do at that angle. Let's go with the drill bit. I like to use a brand new bit. What are you doing, Gabe?
I got some video of the intake since it's already been cut out a lot.
You're not working the intake.
Yeah.
Come on, kill him. Oh, this place is full of it. Go back to that way. Here's the head gasket. It might waste part of this head gasket, just let you know.
That's a head gasket, not a cylinder. They're cheaper.
I always do this so I got something to write against.
Yeah.
I need light on the work. Yeah. See the little tiny hole I put in there? Rock it in and get a better shot of it. The light's too bright. There you go. That's a little better. A little bitty hole there.
Yep.
Alright. Now, open it up a little bigger. Yeah, thanks, kid.
We can edit that out. You know we won't, sir.
Move up to the next bit. These are the same style of bits. Not the same exact bits, but out of the same batch of bits. I got it at the cemetery years ago. Ooh. That's why you always want to do this on a job you're getting ready to bore over. Alright, we got a little bit of depth there now. I just ran it down to that first step. I got a measurement of what that step is. Somebody's going to want to know. They're going to ask you anyway. Yeah, people are.
Yep.
I get fucking questions. Well, how'd you do that?
$5 and I'll tell you.
Well, how come I suck so bad at life? Genetics. Okay, looking about 5 mil, maybe just a hair more. Let's see here. Okay, right now I'm sitting at 5.62 mil. For you people that can't figure what that is, it's 0.221 inches. Gabe told them what that is in fractions.
Small.
That's right. Gabe said small. Everybody fucking pay attention.
And this is on a fresh bore. Or not fresh, but a stock cylinder.
Yep.
That does change a lot of crap.
Well, yeah. But I mean, you're not gonna... You might lose half a mil here or there.
Yeah.
You punch to the outside, well, you're fucked anyway, so...
Yep.
Don't do it. Last time I did this, I was talking on the phone while I did it.
Really?
Yep. I had you on the phone. I was drilling it. Talking one ear, drilling the other one.
God, I wish I wanted to screw up that cylinder.
Me too. You did a good job pouring it. Okay, here's the fucking one that's a little bit different. You can kind of get an idea of how we do this. The way I like to do, I like to keep my bit angled, similar to what we're doing the exhaust. You want, the same angle. The exhaust flows down an angle. Put the bit close to that angle. The hard part is getting your start. Right in here, most people would want to just try to drill straight in, right like that. It's not the way I like to do it. I like to cut in at an angle first. I'm doing that by applying lateral pressure. Now you can see I got a little divot right here. See, I got the little divot where instead of trying to drill out, in this direction, I took the bit and pushed it in sideways like this, and then I'm going to push in towards my triple. I think that's where a lot of people probably screw up. They think you just go straight at an angle, try to meet the two back behind this bridge, this little area right here. Not the case. What I do with this one, drill it straight in, take this one, drop it down into the sidewall, and then push in. That way you're not trying to meet in the back here and getting a real thin spot where they apex together. And as soon as I see shavings in the hole that I made, we're disco. We made it. We've connected both holes.